How to add a blog post on your Wix. So basically, there are two ways to do it. The first one is go to your Wix editor right here. You want to go to your left side of your screen and then choose on pages and menu. And then you want to choose on blog pages and click on this gear icon. And then choose on manage posts. And then after that, you want to choose on create a new post. Or if you cannot find through Wix editor, you can go to your Wix dashboard. Right here, it's your Wix dashboard. You want to look to the left of your screen and then choose blog. You want to click on it and then choose on post. And then again, choose create new post at the top right of your screen. And then right here, you can just try to make your own post. You can type the title right here. For example, I'm going to make a post about iPhone. And then you can start the paragraph right here of your post. And you can also add some image or video or something like that by clicking on this add right here at the left side of your screen. And then you can choose whether you want to add image, video, or GIF or anything like that. And then you can also choose AI tools to help you make a blog post. And then right here on the settings, you can upload the image and then edit the writer and also the publish date of your post. And then right here on the SEO, you can just customize the SEO setting and assistant basic, advanced on social share, and then on the monetize if you have a pro plan, and also translating to any language of your post, and then choose any apps. And then right here, you can also edit your typing by this toolbar to change the font size and so on. And then after that, you can just click on publish and then there you will have a new post on your Wix site, just like this one. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.